Hey guys, this is our Acorns apartment sitting at the heart of Abuja here in Jahi. You can see it's a bit sunny and windy. Come on, let's take you on for a tour. So you can see this is one of our 3-bedroom apartment, widely spacious, enough headroom, and properly ventilated. So you know what? Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. It's a luxurious apartment with integrated appliances, walk-in closets, in-unit laundry, Nest thermostats, keyless entry, expansive windows, and private outdoor balconies. This apartment features chest kitchen with stainless steel cooktops, slide-out hood fan and convection oven, granite countertops, Turkish cabinetry, stainless steel hood range, spa-inspired bathroom, convenient storage, and glass-encased showers. So guys, this is the end of the tour. When the building is fully completed, we'll be back again. Bye!